So here's the hip cars in an all fours position. So from here, brace my trunk. I can create some tension through my hands. If I'm going to be doing my right leg, my left leg wants to be pushing into the ground. So if I show you through here, my left leg is pushing actively into the ground, so I stabilize myself. You don't want to move around too much. So brace a little bit. Now bring my knee up towards my chest, bring the leg out to the side, up towards the ceiling, and then back. Kick that heel up, squeeze the glute, knee and foot parallel as much as you can, and then up towards the chest and back down. Be mindful to not arch the back too much, or should be mindful to not move around too much. If you're really struggling, you can get yourself up against the wall, hand a little bit further away. That way you're pushing yourself into the wall. This will stop you from sort of leaning too much. It does make it a bit more challenging. From here up, and then through there.